Hi, and welcome to the Spokal tutorial video on how to use the recurring scheduling feature. Recurring scheduling helps you automate your social media shares so you're always active on your social media platforms. To set up recurring scheduling, you need to choose content that you want to share recurringly and set up the time slots for when you want this content to be automatically scheduled for you. To save posts from your site to the library of recurring content, go to Blog My Blog Posts page. Click on the red recurring icon next to the post that you want to save, enable recurring, and then save it to your list of recurring items. You can also enable recurring from within the Spokal editor. Click on the social media icon at the top and make sure that recurring is enabled before you publish or update your post. In a similar way, you can enable recurring for your curated content as well. If you're creating a new social share from the calendar page, using the blue plus button at the top right, once you've added the link to the post that you want to save, enable recurring and then save it to the list of recurring items. You will find the same option to save a post to recurring if you're using one of Spokal's bookmarks. If you want to save the tagged posts from your Feedly account, open the Feedly tab and then click on the Promote button next to the post that you want to save as recurring and then save it to your recurring content. To see the list of all your recurring posts, go to Social Recurring Content page. Here you can choose to modify or remove the post from the list of recurring items. Now that you have the recurring content saved, you need to set up the time slots for when you want this content to be shared on your social media. To do that, go to Social, Schedule Settings. Here you can customize or add new time slots for each type of social media account. Click on the red X to enable recurring and save these time slots for automated schedules of your recurring content. In addition, you can choose what type of content is being scheduled by assigning one of your created focuses to a time slot. This way, Spokal will only schedule posts that are tagged with the same focus. In the advanced settings, you have the option to choose the maximum number of times that you want any one post to be published during 1 month period. Or you can set the percentage of your versus curated posts that you want to see scheduled in the calendar. When the recurring posts are scheduled, in the calendar they will be displayed in a lighter color than any of your manually scheduled items. The recurring items will get rescheduled if you make any changes such as adding new recurring content or modifying one of your recurring time slots. Once the recurring posts are published, Spokal will track and calculate their performance weight, which is based on the number of clicks that are generated from your social media and how old each post is. Any new piece of content that you add has priority over older content, and it will be scheduled first in the calendar. To see the performance weight for each of your posts, go to Social Recurring Content page. All new posts and posts that are generating more social clicks will have higher performance score, and therefore they will be scheduled in the calendar more often, while the posts that generate less clicks will have a lower performance score and they will be scheduled less and less.